Hello, I am Mohammad Tayyib Saeed, a postgraduate student of Electrical Engineering Department, Aligarh Muslim University, specializing in instrumentation and control. I am going to explain you the automation of embossing or a punching plant. This lab and training is sponsored by NPIU under TechWhip 2, sponsored by Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India and the World Bank. The technical support like training is executed by ZMS Technology, Germany. I am going to describe project in this short presentation. These are the topics which I will be discussing in the presentation. Starting with the real world problem description, then automation concept, then programmable logic controller, then visualization in the HMI SCADA, and finally future steps for this project. Embossing. It refers to the creation of some impression or design on a surface like paper, cloth, metal or anything else. Now you must be thinking it is a simple process, but in embossing, applying pressure leads to raised structure or groove, like you must have seen embossing or punching on credit cards and prints on the log. The embossing or a punching process is dangerous for the human hand and it can cause severe injuries. Thus, the process should be automated to ensure safe environment to workers, to enable batch processing efficiently, to speed up processing, and to make cost effective. Heart of automation is PLC, which receives signals from power quality analyzer, which will help us to protect the machine under bad power quality situations like over or under voltage. The output relay contact of the analyzer is wired to the PLC input. Then we have different input signals like the on-off button, which is provided to ensure extra safety and enable the plant to reset in any disturbance manually. Then there are many inputs from sensors connected to the machine to PLC for positive feedback. The central intelligence is programmed in PLC, which operates according to sensor signals and logic program. The output of the PLC is connected to the actuators like lamp, motor, etc., which controls the automatic procedure of the embossing system. Each stage of the embossing system can be monitored and controlled from the HMI SCADA screen connected to PLC through Ethernet cables. Now coming to the basic steps involved. First step is connecting computer, PLC and HMI screen with each other through the Ethernet and switch. Computer, PLC and HMI need to be assigned by specific IP within same IP subnet to enable communication. In our case, we have used 192.168.0.0 as the IP subnet. Then the second step is development of the program. We have used Siemens TIA S7 Professional. This is the software which we have used. It also involves some steps. First of all, tags are created. These are the tags which we have created for this program. Then the development of logic. Logic is developed in the main. These are the network of the logic. Whole logic is in 16 networks. Then the testing can be done with the simulation, which is provided in the software. And finally, the program is downloaded to the PLC. Now third step is development of a screen. We have used Siemens WinCC Flexible. Here is also the similar procedure. First of all, creating the tags. These are the tags which we have used. Then development of the screens. This is the screen. And testing can be done with the built-in simulation. The program is downloaded to the HMI in this way. So all three steps are done. This is Siemens PLC S7-300 C2 PNDP, and this is Siemens Touch Panel HMI TP177B. and this is training simulator. All the equipments are connected by the industrial grade Ethernet components. These are the Ethernet cables, and you can see here these are connected to the Ethernet cables like this. Okay. This is the screen for the program. Here the process start. Forklift comes in and pick up the box to place on the appropriate position to collect the embossed material. These are the coins to be embossed. The sensor senses the coin and the bit goes high, which enables the pusher to push the coin on the conveyor. Coin moves to the embossing table, which initiates the embossing process to give up the particular pattern. Now this embossed coin is pushed to the conveyor belt 2 through the air pusher. Here LED based counter is present, which counts the number of embossed coin. This coin is then collected in the block and the process continues in the same way. As you can see, 2 blocks are in this box. This is all about the project demonstration, but there is always a scope and need of further development. So further steps for this project may be live model for the embossing system, deployment of Profibus remote input-output, advanced power quality integration over Profibus. This is all about the project, and now I would like to thank Electrical Engineering Department, Aligarh Muslim University, ZMS Technology Germany, my family, and all the concerned pupils attached with the development of this project. Thank you for watching.